Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Thursday, February 15th, 2018, and we are at 2225 Northwest Salmon Drive in Gresham, and we are here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. As you can see, we're outside the home. That direction is our front porch, and just to the left of that on the ground is our sewer line cleanout. It's a 4-inch cast iron line. We're going to go ahead and drop our camera in here, see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. There we are. We're going to zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen. And we'll begin our push all the way out to the city main. A couple of quick notes about today's inspection. This home was built in 1967, and we're in a neighborhood of homes that were built around the same era, so I do expect to see this older material all the way out to and including in the street. Currently we're inside of a 4-inch cast iron line, and the reason I paused here is because you can see a slight offset in this line, which is just 2 feet into the inspection, so literally 2 feet in front of this cleanout. We're going to make a note of that in the report. And at the same time, at that offset, we have transitioned to terracotta, which is another material that's typically found with older homes. I want to mention that that offset, although it will be mentioned in the report, oftentimes offsets don't necessarily cause any trouble, particularly if the offset is such that the water is flowing down the offset rather than having to climb over the offset. And then also, as long as it's sealed properly with no water leaking out, then we're unlikely to see root intrusions and other, sometimes we have some erosion concerns. Now here at about 21 feet into the inspection, we have another transition. This time we're transitioning to a concrete line. Let me see if I can get a better look at this. Now there's some very slight roots at this transition. You can see that just at the lower right hand corner of the screen. Let me see if I can get a better view of this. It's not going to do a very good job for me. Anyhow, very minor roots at this transition as well. Kind of flowing out just that's probably just a couple of inches out. So we have some cast iron, some terracotta, and now we're inside of some concrete. All these materials were commonly used in older construction, older meaning any time between probably the mid-70s to early 1980s or so. Very, very slight root intrusions on some of these joints. Here at about 48 feet, or about 47 feet, we are starting to see a little bit of standing water. You can look down towards the end of the pipe there, and you can see that the pipe is about half full. So we're going to push the camera out and see if we can figure out what's going on there. Looks like we have just some toilet paper or something at the connection with the city main. Doesn't look like it's clearing out. Sometimes we use the camera to see if we can clear these out. But we might actually have a break or some kind of a blockage here at the main. see debris on the camera itself. But we are looking in the main here at 55. So that standing water began at about, I think that was about 45 feet or so, and continued on to 55 feet at the main. So we're going to go ahead and mark this in the street, and we'll recommend that a contractor come take a look at this. That's it for this video. Thank you very much.